Amazon is in the works on palm payment technology, where users merely place their palm on the terminal, and the intelligent system scrutinizes its lines, curves, and vein patterns. The associated card is then recognized for debit, thanks to Amazon's proprietary algorithms employing machine vision for seamless operation. This groundbreaking tech was initially tested by Seattle residents in Amazon stores, and the company has ambitious plans to extend it to diverse locations such as stadiums and office centers. After all, a palm is not easily left behind at home, unlike a ticket or a pass. The Bionic M team, hailing from Japan, is at the forefront of prosthetic innovations, subtly paving the way in a new category. Their creation, the BioLeg, distinguishes itself as a prosthetic leg equipped with a microprocessor-driven joint, complete with sensors operating at a remarkable rate of 200 times per second. This technological marvel enables a range of activities, including walking stairs, rising from chairs, and utilizing the prosthetic leg for support. Noteworthy features of the BioLeg include its impressive weight capacity of up to 125 kilograms and a commendable 16-hour battery life on a single charge, showcasing the team's commitment to both functionality and endurance. Picture this: you're eagerly anticipating the arrival of your pizza, only to discover it at your doorstep, disappointingly cold. Recognizing this widespread issue, Domino's, the leading pizza chain in terms of sales, made a bold move to transform its delivery game. Introducing the DXB electric bike, a true game-changer meticulously crafted for couriers. What makes this bike stand out is its brilliant built-in oven, a breakthrough ensuring your pizza arrives at a scorching 68 degrees Celsius. This temperature assurance guarantees your meal reaches you in flawless condition, with cheese that stretches perfectly and a crust striking the impeccable balance between crispy and tender. To elevate the delivery experience, the oven incorporates the G-force system, significantly reducing the pizza's load by an impressive 67%. This not only safeguards the pizza's quality but also ensures a smooth journey to your doorstep. Astoundingly, this bike effortlessly handles a substantial 10 kilograms of pizza in one go. Domino's DXB electric bike is undeniably redefining the standards for pizza delivery. Introducing AI Pin, a revolutionary device earning the moniker smartphone disruptor from certain publications. Crafted by Humane, a company established by former Apple employees, this gadget is capturing attention for its captivating features that go beyond the conventional iPhone. Weighing a mere 50 grams, AI Pin delivers substantial performance with its 8-core processor, integrated camera, microphone, motion sensors, and a distinctive laser projector. More than just a communication tool, this device can project a 720-pixel image virtually anywhere, even on the palm of your hand. Moreover, AI Pin is not confined to the routine tasks of calls, messages, or music playback. It boasts a built-in assistant, powered by advanced AI algorithms, enabling it to serve as a guiding companion, proficient translator, and adept multitasker. With a starting price of $700, the AI Pin is redefining the boundaries of what a modern device can achieve.
Estamos casi listos para enviar la versión final.
We are almost ready to ship the final version.
Great. I can't wait. Thanks so much.
Genial. No puedo esperar. Muchas gracias.
For those with a passion for film photography or those connected to someone who does, brace yourself for this exciting news. The Swiss team at I'm Back has ingeniously figured out a way to reduce your film-related expenses. Simply swap it out with their upgrade, and your camera transforms into a worry-free shooting device, allowing you to capture moments without the fear of running out of shots. This innovative enhancement not only enables 4K video recording but also facilitates the storage of your shots on an SD card or easy sharing through Wi-Fi. As an added bonus, I'm Back provides presets that replicate the iconic look of legendary films like Fujifilm and Kodachrome. Compatible with all 35mm analog cameras, this remarkable upgrade is available for $111 as part of their Kickstarter campaign. Now, let's delve into a German innovation, Inflabi, a creation by the German startup that introduces a distinct bicycle helmet. What sets it apart? It's inflatable, allowing for effortless folding and convenient carrying in your pocket. When you're ready to ride, just pump the helmet with a bicycle pump to 2 bars, and you're good to go. Test results speak volumes. This helmet offers 4 times better protection than the standards set by European safety regulations. This innovative safety solution can be yours for a purchase price of $130. Imagine flaunting your favorite memes right on your t-shirt, an ingenious creation by the American team at Future Mind Labs. They've seamlessly integrated a 10-inch screen into this fashion piece, available at the price of $149. It goes beyond static pictures. You can pleasantly surprise others with GIFs and videos, including those trending on TikTok. The brilliance doesn't end there. The screen is conveniently removable, making washing a hassle-free experience. However, there's a slight catch: the charge lasts a maximum of 4 hours. So, if you're stepping out, make sure to pack a power bank for the journey. Here's a game changer from Japan, and this time, retailers have a reason to rejoice. The Telexistence Model T robot is here to revolutionize the art of product arrangement and shelf management. Picture this: a person seated comfortably at home, effortlessly controlling the robot through VR systems for pure convenience. Manufacturers are confident that deploying these robots in all stores nationwide is entirely feasible. Equipped with both vacuum suction and 2-finger grippers, these robots guarantee that nothing gets dropped. With a signal delay of only 50 milliseconds, the robot-human team operates in perfect sync, ensuring precision in every task.